Kuble pi baro ngi pedang snobhai pi chikutup kubor menta ke janmit. Shwaban pai sheki kubor ki babnya ngine pechwai ki mat bokong san. Palat saulak mut ki bayebet thmai ke jingpang covid khat khandai haki arku saw kanta hagawi. Aspa anru pu angmut ki bayebet thmai ha Meghalaya. Dan kam ke jela palat khandai pho klur tingka ban IT ka ya da covid khat khandai. Sheki nong shong shnong ki bahap hakakarta ka bakhat klas nem sheneng. Las dang ya ke jing perking ke bas posngi ban tiak lakam ya ke jing sapyang ke jing pang covid khat khandai nado menta ka sngi. Ban la penlong ya ke jing emerging mut halal ka klam covid khat khandai ban ka jing IT ka haga jela. Ki khubor ki babnya kajing don jeng ki bayo ya kajing pang covid khat khandai hakari haki arpu saw kanta balala kalong saw lakshi hajar khandai spa khandai phulai ngut kabamut ba kajing don jeng ki badang sha sumar hakari kalakio sha ka khat khandai point khandai not na ka shispa katba kajing don jeng ki balakot kalahiar sha ka phraphwei point khandai na ka shispa Katanat ka kot ka khia kala pentep ru baki don lai hajar saus pa khandai pu prangut ki balayap na ka jingpang covid hakini ki arpu saw kanta bala dep kabala pen poi ya ka jing don jang ki balayap baro shaka arlak pra hajar lai spa lai phongut haba phai pat shaka jalang Meghalaya kila don ar spa hanru pu arngut ki balai bethma ya kini ka jingpang Hadien beladon salai ngut ki bala khlat na kini ka jingpang ka jingdon jong baro ki bala khlat ha Meghalaya kila poi shaka shispa hniu pu sangut katba ki badang don ya ka jingpang kilong shi hajan ruspa san phukhandai ngut Umentri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangmau laong baka sarkar jela kan don kam kumba khandai pho klortingka haringkat ka GST ban yo eka lai pho lak teli ke kitika yada covid khat khandai ban I inject ye ki khat san lak ngut ki nong shong shnong ka jela ki bahap hapring ka kerta ka bakhat phra hadu saw pusaw snem Ulaong ru baka sarkar kala de ptha ya ka company ban pen poi ya ki injection sha ka jela ha ka jo kapor ha ka baya kran halor ka mat ka baya dei baka jing penlut ki baya dei bat ka ne ukonrat sangma ula kubur baka long ka bajenjar namar ka jela menta kadan ha pedeng ka jing duna pisa
It is a challenge. We will go ahead and we are, as I said, we've already asked the company to supply us a vaccine. So as you said, it will cost us 90 plus GST. So therefore, though it will be a challenge for us, but it's a priority and it's a, I should say, an investment or expenditure that is going to be beneficial for the people at large and state at large.
Kajing perking bash posngi banlat nya kajing sapriang uknyang jingpang covid khat khandai lasdang nadu menta kasngi hanong ba Shillong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kong Isa Wanda lalu habaya kran bakilat pathai khubor kalapen bana balasha tang arpusan na kashispa yaki kali kamai badnyat hakini ki posngi barkani kan long tang na kabenta ki taxi bat ki auto rickshaw lakhang persha ki kali ki rioshimet banyat laj no ki tu ki badan kam kerki ki balik shim dawai Badlet I inject. Kabor penya district kan penmi ikipas, nakabenta banlet, nakaway ka district shakway pat. Nakaway ka jela shakway, lada don kinu ki kam ki bakerki, haringkat ki kendon ki baperking. Kidukan di laptop mobile bat kidukan di tiar kali, kila ban play put sngi hakini kish post sngi jong kajing perking. Lakhangi ki restaurant, bat kidukan bam ban play hakite ki sngi. Lasha tang lai pongut ban yashim benta hakajing kentiu kurim, bat habayab riu.
Only those shops dealing with essentials will be permitted to open during this 10-day period, and that too strictly subject to regulation by the concerned incident commanders. Shops dealing in hardware, electrical, plumbing and sanitary ware, computer service centers, laptops, mobile repair shops and automobile repair shops have also been permitted as per the order, but they will not be open daily. They will be open on alternate days or only 3 to 4 times during this 10-day period, and the names of the shops and the dates on which they are permitted to be open has also been worked out by the incident commanders of the respective zones.
Hadian balapan bena ya kejing perking ke bash posngi hanong ba Shillong. Jowai batura kino bapen ken ya kikendon kin sa sya pen shitom kat kum kaan. Kajing wanra ikikendon ki ba perking ka long na kabenta kajing bha jong ki pat ba bantia lakam ya kajing pur state kajing pang covid kat khandai hakasien ka baar. Kitay kisor kilalong ki bakenja hadian basya khang lut kidukan ki bam dadon kam. Kani kay rap ru banduna ki kali hakasurok ba. Hajuwai bun kidukan ki khang kat ba ki bang bat ki jaka thep pnyang ki ple kum bajulong. Ki jing trey ya ki jing tei ki yai beteng na ba ki klem sha kan thup hapo ki containment measure. Ki lai tali ki jaka rung sha jowai kata ka inkin mintdu karyat saksim bat kalat college kila sha khang lenti haki puliat bat ki dukhat ka Bouncer Association of Meghalaya. Kumshi benta ban seiso ka jingya khun persha ya ka klam covid khat khandai ha Meghalaya lapen long ya ka jingya merjing mut halor ka klam covid khat khandai bat ka jing IT ka yada ha ka jingya don ringkat ki rio shampang ka kot ka khia henne ka sngi ha State Convention Center. Kat bakari ka don hapdeng ka jingya khun persha ya ka jing pang covid khat khandai kani ka jingya merjing mut klayarap ban weng ya ka jing atatin bat ka jing shepting hapdeng ki nong shong shnong kini ki rio shampang kila persang ban jubab ya ki jing kali ki babun halor kani ka klam bar ka jing pen shairu halor ka jing pen rung kerteng ha ka kowin app
is still pending. So I do not want anyone to panic saying that.
What is the efficacy?
So regarding this 18 and above immunization, we were supposed to start today as per the, the instructions released by the government of India. But as you know, we have also released an advisory that we do not have vaccines for the age group of 18 to 44 as yet. So it is not possible for us to start. We have placed our order with the Serum Institute in Pune, and we have got the, the communication that the vaccines will be arriving in a time of 4 weeks.
Kat bakari kadon hapdeng ka jingduna ban penbiang ye kitendong le air oxygen ban sumari kinong pang covid khat khandai kidkhot ka Sri Guru Singh Sabha Gurudwara Shillong kilawan chakmat ban no senyang de kitendong le air oxygen labo ye kitendong le air oxygen ki bakhamret hajan ki jingthia khanang man yo pendon kam hakanu kanu kapor habaya kren bakadi news Meghalaya u secretary jongkane ka sabha u Dr Kamaljit Singh uang bahadian balayu i ke jingduna jong ka tindong li air oxygen hakari ka sabha kalawanra da ka oxygen langlar uang ru bashu shu an sawan penpoi shu yakini ki tiar ha kini ki sngi ki mendangwan ha ka jo ka por u president ka sabha u Gurcharan Singh ulaong baka jingthmu ban plie yakini ka oxygen langlar ka long ban shakri ki pat nong shong shnong jo ka jela ha ka por ka badan kam.
We came up with this idea looking at the general scenario in the city and more so in the entire country, where there's such a shortage of oxygen everywhere, and so we thought, why not, put in our resources and make something like an oxygen bank, which we termed as the oxygen langar, somewhat on the lines of the food langar that we had done last year. So the main reason why we are doing this is just in case in future the state run or the government hospitals or the private hospitals, God forbid, run out of oxygen, it is then that we will step in and try and help the people to whatever extent we can.
Mintapat ngene pe ye jinglong jingman ka sunbeneng ha Shillong kajing shet kalong arphulai 0.pra degree Celsius but kajing kriat kalong khatlai 0.sau degree Celsius kajing skam ka hau kalong new pusan na kashispa men step but nrupupra na kashispa janmet kajing hap jong slap menta kasingi kalong sau pusan 0.pra millimeter kandan kajing hap slap hakikat tu kat ni ki benta ha Shillong but ki jaka ba marjan. Parlok ni penken mau ya pi. Baya kini ko kubor jangi pila ru ban page YouTube haka YouTube page jongka DD News Shillong. Nalor ke bapiu I haka television pila ban page haka YouTube channel jongka DD News Shillong na kabentaki kubor ba malakas ngi. Shwa bangin penkut ya ketup kubor mentaka janmiet ngene pai biang session syakimat bakongsan. Palat saulak ngut ki baye bet mai ka jingpang ko bet kat kendai haki arku sau kenta hakari aspa nru ko angut ki baye bet mai ha Meghalaya. Dan kam ke jela palat kendai pau keluar tingka ban ai tika ya da ko bet kat kendai syakinong chong snong ki bahap ka kerta ka bakhat pras nem cheneng. Lasdang ya ke jing terking ke bas posngi ban tiak lakam ya ke jing sapriang ke jing pang covid kat handai nado menta kesngi. Bat la penlong ya ke jing emir jing mut halor ke klam covid kat handai bat ke jing IT ka ha ke jela. Di perlok katung ila poish ka bakut jong ketup kubor jangi menta ke janmiet tungin ken mau ba ke jing pang covid kat handai ke lanang pur step. Tu deng tikna ya kemas, penya jengai iwe na iwe pat, bat sat bahaya la kikti. Hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pi, la syai kasngi, kublai pi baro.
Pikwa ban kya pura netang khendian pura te habathiet pej bahai kishap kashap plus f
ka plus f
haka bam bangib de ye kamet namar kata kamet bat ka bor per khajengi kijing puli ka kam ka jam ka jingkiu kam baro ki hiar ya piru
nga ba